Okay, looks like we are live. I'm so excited to share this brand new chart of the aUI elements of meaning that is a very, very fancy chart. And I'm so excited that I get to show you this. And this is going to be a first in a series of tutorials about aUI, the language of space, developed by my father in the early 1950s. And so we have this brand new chart that is actually based on the chart that he had in our living room back in the late 60s. And it was drawn, he drew it with fluorescent colors. And he always had a black light, and when the black light turned off, you could only see the symbols like this. And meanwhile, we have these options. We've got the Roman letters that pair up with each symbol and the meanings. But first we're going to start out with all of them on. And for this video, we're just going to start with the first row of of the vowels. So the vowels are a, e, I, U, O. And as you can see, we've got these little mnemonic images that were drawn for each one. So let me go through those. Um, yeah, let's do that. And okay, let's move that up a little bit. So a is pronounced as in mama, our first space, the first space that we inhabit. Space is round all around us. Ah, and we open our mouth, very wide open to say space, to say and we open it to a wide space, And then we have jet-propelled movement. So, means movement. It's like the spiral, like a spiral nebula. So, movement. Then I is a source of light and the rays spreading out, and it is the highest frequency, the brightest vowel. I, short, and it's also a front vowel because we see light in front of us. I, and looks like this little mouse is getting his tail burned. So from the light the light of the sun is shown and the light of the fire. So that was E, light. And then human is like the arms or the legs of a human being, showing their kind of like their duality, their dichotomy. Um, and human, it's also the Chinese symbols are very similar, pronounced u as in human. And here we have pushy humans, u. And then o is a leaf. The basis of our life on Earth is due to photosynthesis made by leaves. And so O is life. We tried to get the sound here. Oh, he says he's British. Oh boy, biology. Oh, very short. So these 5 are the short vowels. Next time we'll do the long vowels, but these are short. A, E, I, U, O. Let me see if we can eliminate, we can test you. You can test yourself to see if you remember the Roman letter. A, E, I, U, O. And then we have now we're going to see if we can get the meanings all around us. Our first um, habitat, mama. jet-propelled movement, I, light, U, human, O, life. And now we have the symbols only, A, E, I, U, O. And I'm pretty sure that you people have got this all down in the speed that I have spoken them. Come back for our next video. We'll do the next row. See you next time.